Okay.
So now we're going to the design workshop that is used by middle schoolers and high schoolers.
The one we're going to show you is that we're walking through right now is used by middle school, but there's also similar spaces that are used by high school.
So here are one of the design classrooms. And this is the classroom that I have for design. I
Yep.
think you do too, right?
Same. So right now we're working on two different projects. We're working on a packaging project and also a box project. So you're making those for different clients and you do your research and then you make the actual product.
So the packaging project is digital, and the box project is product. So we get to use the design workshop, which is over there.
Which one are you doing?
I am doing the box project.
I'm doing the packaging project. So.
What different kind of projects have you done in the design workshop?
I've actually only had one. It was the interlock, where we made a chair with interlocking pieces of wood. But I know my friends have done other ones, but I just generally like digital design more.
Yeah, so when you're going into the design workshop, you have to make sure that you have an apron on, and if you have long hair, to tie it back for safety precautions. And also wear goggles if you're going to use any equipment that is inside.
But you can even have it does stop it, so it's just like a first spec sort of folder.
Yes.
And it just sits in front. Oh, yeah, sure. I mean, show paper and put a book. No, good question. So then you've got all of
So
yeah,
So here are some of the tables and workspaces we have. And for example, this is what we are doing for the box project. So we have hinges and handles and latches and the drills. And here are some of the equipment.
Some of the equipment we can use on our own, but some of it we either need somebody to help us or we can't use it all, of course, for safety.
For example, there are these stickers on each of the equipment that says if we can use it or only with adult supervision.
Currently it's on the OneDrive, but we need to sort out shared space too.
I think this is one of my favorite spaces that we have at WAP because of all the different creative stuff that you can do.
So when I was making my box, I came here earlier today, and this is the machine I used to make the finger joints to connect my box together. And I love this space because it also has so much of different variety, and you can literally make anything here. So that was the bell, and we will be heading now to
Our next block.